What's going on, YouTube? It's your buddy, everybody's buddy, Cord Craftsman, back with another video. And today, yeah, we got this thing here. It's a Bauer 20 volt Hypermax lithium. You know the deal. It's got all the great words on it to tickle your monkey brain into wanting it. And, well, it tickled mine into wanting it. So I got it. I had a phone call. I had to do a jump cut there. So, yeah, the Bauer. I use a palm sander quite a bit in the shop, and when I saw a cordless one, I wanted to try it. And then you add Harbor Freight on top of it, and I was all over it. So I went and spent, what was it, 50, probably too much for this thing. I know it's going to be heavy as hell in your hand, but we're going to see if this thing can actually make a pretty good body shop tool. Like I said, that profile really gives you a good advantage when you're sanding a lot of things, and a regular DA gets pretty aggressive, especially a long throw like that. When this spins around, it has a big orbit to it, and it rams up against stuff, and a lot of times isn't the best. All right. AVE time. I love his channel, right? So let's plug this thing in real quick. All right, so it's got a little bit from the factory, a little chooch there. Let's see here. Went in there, clicked pretty easy. Oh baby. Oh, it's a good back massager, I'll tell you that right now. Oh, that feels so good. It really did. So wow, it's, yeah, of course, a little bit heavy towards the battery side there, but let's see. It comes with really firm pad, which is both good and bad. Feels pretty strong and feels pretty well made. The tip, sometimes when you dig into a corner, this tip will beat up a corner. I might have to put a piece of tape or something like that over top of that. That's a little bit too rough for my liking. But this has a nice buffer here for a nice soft little interface there for your sanding thing. And well, crap. You get a 60 grit and a couple of sort of grits with the thing here, 240, 120. And then, of course, you have to buy the charger and the daggone battery separate, and it's kind of a waste of time. But, yeah. Instrucciones. Yeah, looks like a little dust collector thing there. So, yeah, I bet this thing will actually work pretty good for body shop use. We're going to just do a little test here real quick. I wasn't even ready for this, but let's see. What can we sand? What do we got around here? Alright, so I found something here in the shop to grind on. This is part of the Hayabusa that we actually replaced here, and we're just going to use it for a test panel. Now, yeah, you don't need that sanding paper to be exactly the same thing size as that. And yeah, I just use my DA paper on it, and then it's always worked well. Let's see how it handles these scratches here, right? Real quick. And I'll tell you, Took them out pretty good. I'm already thoroughly happy with my purchase. It did exactly what I wanted it to and exactly what I thought it would do. Now it's pretty damn heavy and it's pretty damn top heavy. That thing wants to kick back on you, and it might be a little bit of a chore to have this thing in your hand for more than 45 minutes, but yeah, that's sanding anyway. But yeah, you buy this thing for the profile. You buy this thing for the sanding profile. It's a finished sander. It puts a nice soft
today, Junior.
surface to yeah, get a good new paint job on. You get into here. I mean, that's pretty important to be able to get these areas. And then this is what I really like it for. When you have edges like this and you need to sand away a lot of that paint so it doesn't chip off. And it's one of the hardest spots to get and annoying spots to get. Maybe if I had a little pressure here. There you go. Those are results, baby. That looks good. I didn't get all the way in the 90-degree there, but man, that was a whole lot easier to control even with one hand than a pneumatic DA. It's really doing exactly what you want it to, and you know, it's and this is something else that I don't mind doing when it comes to the DA. You could, even the Velcro will accept one of them real nice. You want to prep the panel real quick. Man, that's gonna come in handy. That is gonna come in handy. So, you know what? We're gonna use this, and maybe you'll see it a little bit more in the vlog here. Pulled a point off of there already, but I think this thing's going to do just fine. Like I said, my only real complaint is it's a little bit heavy, but yeah, got to take it in stride. So I'm happy with it. You know the deal, guys. If you like the video, let me know in the comment section what kind of content you want to see more often. And yeah, I really appreciate all the support and the subscribers I have right now, and I hope to bring you some good content. Thanks a lot. Car Craftsman out.